Hey guys, what's going on? JC here. I want to tell you a little bit about the company called LiveGood, and I'll tell you why you want to give a look at this, get a shot at it. We're having a big promotion this month. It's called the Million Member Movement. Basically, if you sign up one person, you get entered into a drawing of $10,000. If you sign up two people, two customers, you get entered into a drawing of $50,000. And December 13th will be 1 year that LiveGood launched. There's a lot of momentum right now with LiveGood, and I'm gonna share why you want to get involved with LiveGood here, and I'm gonna share about the type of products LiveGood has here as well. Um, this company whole motto is set around wholesale products, and basically there are a lot of companies out there to upsell an upmark on a product just to get more money basically in our pocket to pay out to distributors. And wholesale is creating a new aspect on that, kind of like the Costco of health and wellness, where you get the product for wholesale. Now, these are just some of the products here, from multivitamins to protein shakes to magnesium, super greens, um, excuse me, coffee, CBD oil, which is really good. I remember back in the day, I was buying CBD oil for like $80 for 750 milligrams. And we click on here, and you want to actually order now. The CBD oil here is 15 bucks for a high quality CBD oil that's patented and tested with the quality as this here. Just go down here. The amino acids, pet stuff, collagen, patches, creatine, which is a new item here, all the way down to actually packets here. So, Live Good. I think I got involved probably about under a year ago, and it's a good side hustle income that you can do to help share with friends and family, even online as well. But Live Good's opportunity program is really good. You have opportunity to make not only a fast start bonus, but a residual based bonus and Live Good. So this is not a get rich quick plan scheme or anything like that. This is something you can build in time, and say 6 months, 8 months, a year from now, you have residual income coming in that can last you the life of this company. So if you see here, I have team, you have your order history, your shop, your member, your earnings, your statistics, webinar schedule, and your websites. The website is pretty simple. I mean, sharing Live Good is not difficult. If you want to send people directly to your product, your company website, you're going to give them this link here. If you want to send them to the tour website, which you see in the description right here below, you just click that link. It's going to take you a tour through LiveGood, and you guys can see more information about it and the product as well, and why you can get involved with this company. When you click on the link here, you'll see the actual landing page. You're just going to click that link, fill this form, and it's going to share with you how to get involved. It's really simple. It's $40 to be an affiliate with LiveGood, and it's $9.95 per month after that. Or you can do the 1 year option and just pay the $99 for 1 year, and you're a wholesale member. So you also get a website just like this that you can share as well, and you also get a shop website if someone wants to interested more in the products as well. So this is the actual shop website here, and then go right to the product and place an order here in LiveGood. There's so much happening here in LiveGood, and it's a big movement all around the world basically. It's blowing up internationally. We want to do the same thing here in the U.S. So go ahead and click the link in the description here, short video, but I want to share a little bit about why LiveGood is taking off right now. Everyone is looking for a side income opportunity without their full-time job that they can build and do something and work from home. So click the link in the description. I'll see you guys on the other side. Take care. God bless.